Which animal officially works at a train station in Japan? A cat as station master. A goat that eats mail. A robot dog. A pigeon with a GPS. Correct answer. A cat as station master. What unusual achievement belongs to Charles Osborne? Didn't sleep for 40 years. Hiccuped for 68 years straight. Lived at sea for 18 years. Ate an entire airplane. Correct answer. Hiccuped for 68 years straight. Which language is spoken by the most people, including non-native? Chinese, Spanish, English, Python. Correct answer. English.